Miles will be 14 weeks tomorrow, and he's now reaching up and grabbing the item, the little toys hanging above him, which is really cool. There we go, baby. No, he's not constipated. That's the look he has when he reaches up to grab stuff. Ooh. Oh, let's move this leg in. I don't want it to hit the ground. Look at that face. Look at that face. You got spit all over your face. You got spit. You're not gonna play? You can play, baby.